Immediately preceding the shooting, Gloria Woody, who will hereafter be referred to as the shooter, had been in a physical altercation with the McDonald's employees in which she refused to leave the building, which at the time was not allowing customers in due to coronavirus restrictions, and had to be physically removed from the building. Moments later, the shooter re-enters the building with a handgun which was retrieved from her car. The shooter then fires at least once, hitting an employee in the arm at a point-blank distance. As employees begin to run towards the back exit, the shooter approaches the counter and fires at least once, likely hitting a wall. The shrapnel from this strikes an employee in the neck and shoulder area, injuring them. The shooter then turns to the door, exits the McDonald's, and flees on foot. All 3 employees injured, both in the shooting and the immediately preceding altercation, were taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. Minutes later, the shooter would be found by police a few blocks away from the McDonald's and taken into custody.
Ford Delta 80, the scene secure. IMSA could come in. The suspect's not 97 in the area.
Huh?
Okay. Yeah, okay. Anywhere else on you? Just your arm?
Yeah, just my arm.
Okay. And then you just had that laceration on your head right there. She pistol whip you, or?
No, I don't know. She just, I don't know.
Okay.
Well, I think no. She goes like, I don't know.
Okay. It's fine. So, fire's right.
60. I'm out on one bank, first parking lot.
Hey!
They're on foot.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Walk back to me right now. Stand up! Raise your hands!
Let me show you. Let me tell you what.
Turn around!
Let me tell you what happened, man.
Turn around and raise your hands!
And we have one male with a gunshot wound to the arm, one female.
Show me your hands!
I'm fucking black, so shoot me. That's what y'all gonna
Go down to your knees!
That's what y'all gonna do, shoot me.
Hey, you got cover, I got contact.
They
All
not
right.
listening to me at all.
Put your hands behind your back!
Shit. And you don't got a rough hand to me. I'm not even doing nothing.
You have any guns on you?
No.
Okay.
I'm not. Baby, come over here. Come right here. I'm right here.
Who are you yelling at? Who are you yelling at?
Come right here. Because I'm talking to her on the phone as I'm in McDonald's, and this girl gonna come up to me, and she hit on me, and then these dudes come and hit me, man. I'm a woman, yo.
Okay, a dude come and hit you.
Man,
All right.
All kinds of dudes
Hey, relax.
that come and kick me in my head, man. And I was on the phone, I said, soon as I